Thunderstorms and tornadoes wreaked havoc across the Midwest, particularly impacting western Michigan on Tuesday night. The destructive weather resulted in extensive damage, with at least 2 tornadoes confirmed, one each in Portage and across Branch and St. Joseph counties, as reported by National Weather Service officials in Grand Rapids. Assessment teams planned to survey the extensive damage the following day. Early warnings played a crucial role in safeguarding lives, according to Ernie Ostuno, a meteorologist with the National Weather Service. A tornado emergency was declared, signaling imminent catastrophic damage and a potentially deadly threat to populated areas. Thankfully, as of early Wednesday, there were no reported fatalities. However, the storms left tens of thousands without power, and Governor Gretchen Whitmer assured affected residents that help was forthcoming. The storms caused injuries to at least 20 individuals who needed hospital treatment and resulted in significant damage to 176 homes in Kalamazoo County. This included a FedEx facility and other structures in Portage, as well as in St. Joseph and Branch counties. Initial reports of people trapped in the FedEx building were later clarified by Nick Armold, Portage's Director of Public Safety, confirming no injuries or entrapments at the site. As the storms diminished overnight, emergency response teams in western Michigan were busy locating residents and managing the aftermath. Damage was also noted in Metro Detroit, though it was less severe compared to the devastation on the state's west side. Governor Whitmer expressed her sympathy and declared a state of emergency for southwest Michigan on Tuesday evening. She highlighted the efforts of state and local emergency teams working to assist affected residents. In the severely hit areas, particularly Pavilion Estates' mobile home community, homes appeared severely damaged, with some looking as though they had been directly crushed. Kalamazoo County, which includes Portage and the mobile home park, appeared to bear the brunt of the storm's fury, with numerous homes reported as completely destroyed. Kalamazoo County Sheriff Richard Fuller reported on the extensive damage and ongoing recovery efforts. He was relieved that many residents had heeded the weather warnings, which seemed to have prevented life-threatening injuries. As recovery efforts continued, the Red Cross and other organizations were providing assistance to displaced residents. Utility companies were also working diligently to restore power and communications across the affected areas. The recent storms add to a challenging year for Michigan's western regions, previously affected by adverse weather that disrupted local events and activities.